Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for all you Windows 11 users out there. If you've ever wondered how to screen record on Windows 11 in 2023, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest tech tutorials and tips. Now let's get started. First, open any browser on your Windows. Go to the browser and search for OBS Studio. Now, there is a link called Download OBS Studio. Click on the first link here. Then go down a bit and see Download Installer, Download via BitTorrent, and Download Zip. Now you will click on this option named Simply Download Installer here. After clicking it, it will download and I will show you how to install it. So now I have shown the location where to save it. So I will not download it because I had already downloaded it and I will cancel it. Then find the software. After finding it, click the right mouse button on the app. Then click on Run as Administrator. Now click Yes. Then you do Next, Next, Next. I have one already installed here, so I won't have to install one. So after it is installed, open it. First, we need to create a scenes. So on the left side in the box called Scenes, you can see there is a plus icon. Click on it. Here, a scenes called Scenes 2 is created. So we'll click OK here. Then it turned black because we haven't captured the display yet. If we capture the display, everything we do on the display will be recorded here. So don't worry if I see black here. So on the left side in the box called Scenes, click on the plus icon here and you will see that there is an option called Display Capture. Click on it. Then you can adjust the settings accordingly to the settings I have shown here. You can use other software like OBS Studio, like Camtasia, Filmora, etc. But most of the professional people use this software. So now I will show you how to open the default screen recorder in Windows 11. So here it will not show in my video, so I am giving a screenshot here for you to understand. So first, press the Windows plus G for Xbox Game Bar from your keyboard. Then you will see a snapshot, start recording, microphone, etc. options here. So we try to use OBS because Windows 11 is only for gamers. And there you have it, two ways to screen record on Windows 11 in 2023. Whether you choose the built-in Xbox Game Bar, Windows plus G, or opt for a third-party tool like OBS Studio, you now have the tools to capture your screen effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.